NewSpace designs, develops and manufactures components for spacecraft.
Clients can expect high value and quality without having to pay these really large price tags which is associated with space components. So the way we achieve that is by having our processes in place, so we have ISO certification, but at the same time we use commercially available off-the-shelf components where it makes sense.
Well, of course we say the sky is not the limit because we're in space, but the real growth area will be in applications of space, and that's things like Internet of Things, broadband from space, Earth imagery, forestry, maritime domain awareness, disaster management. There are so many applications that space achieves at a lower cost than using the traditional methods, that there's a massive growth in space right now, about 30% growth in the market that we're in worldwide.
Space is my passion, and being in a developing nation, it was such a refreshing way to see people actually taking it seriously and going forward with it.
Well, we export to 15 countries across all 5 continents. Our customers are both space agencies, like NASA is one of our customers, universities, but mostly commercial customers, which would be people like Airbus and Thales.
I started as a technician. I was offered an opportunity to be trained in UK to be a certified European Space Agency technician.
Well, we've been here for 4 years now. I started with just me in a suitcase, and we're now 21 people. And scaling has been difficult because we haven't had any external investment, no overdraft, no loans. So we've been growing organically, but that's still been at 30 to 40% per year.
NewSpace has played a big role in pioneering the space industry in South Africa. We're doing things that no other people in industry are doing. We're incorporating some cutting-edge technology into our products. We're competing on a global scale. We're going head-to-head with some of the biggest names in industry, and it's exciting to be a part of.